Sushant. I am studying 6th class. My school name is CS English Medium School, Joel.
My name is Srivarga. I am studying 6th standard. My school name is SBS School, Joel.
Today we are discussing about human heart. The heart is a muscular organ. It is about the size of a fist. It pumps blood. It is the important organ in the blood circulatory system. It pumps blood through a artery and veins. The pumped blood carries oxygen and nutrients to the body. The blood carries waste such as carbon dioxide to the lungs. In humans, heart is located between the lungs. The human heart has 4 chambers. Human heart beats about 100,000 times per day, which means 72 beats per minute. The human heart pumps about 3,000 gallons of blood every day.
Functions of the human heart: generating blood, loading blood, heart